Hey guys, welcome to the JetJanix. Today we will create a text sheet for the store, okay? For a store like the Mega Mart, like the Debenhams, like the any other store where you can find different things which they sell, okay? And as you know, in a store we sell different type of products, and the rate of interest for different products is not the same but different. So how can we make our life easy to have tax different tax on different products, and what is our total tax for the store? Okay, here if you can see, for example, our store, we in our store we have only four products. Okay, the one is cotton, the second one is shoes, the third product is leather products, and the third one is cream. Okay, and the tax rate that is applicable to each product is this. Okay, on the cotton product, the tax rate is 3%, on the shoes it is 5%, and on the leather products it is 3.8, and on the cream it is 6%. Okay, and these are our sales of different products. Okay, the cotton products have sale of this one on second date, on third we have this sale, and this one, and these are the shoes sale, this is the leather, this is the cream. Okay, so what is the payable tax of these sales? Okay, so we will calculate it with two different ways. Okay, the first one is a bit easy but lengthy process, and the second one that will be very nice and very easy, and let me show you that one. Okay, the second one, which I feel is easy, I will show you in first, and second I will show you the simple way as well. So for example, I want to calculate the tax of cotton here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I will select the cotton sales, for example this one, and I will go to the formula tab. Okay, this one, and define name, I will give it a name. Okay, and let's the name is cotton. Okay, in the scope you can use that these values, I am considering these values as cotton. So the scope says, will you consider it in the whole workbook or only in this specific sheet? So I'm going to select the specific sheet. Okay, the sheet number one, the cotton means these values. Okay, now press OK. Okay, now for the shoes again I am going to repeat the same process, define, and here I have to specify the sheet number one. Okay, and for the leather again I am doing the same process, define name, and sheet number one, and okay, and for the cream the same process. Okay, and define name, the same name, and sheet number one. Okay, and press OK. Now if you can see, I can calculate the tax amount of cotton, shoes, leather, and cream very easily. How I'm going to calculate it? I will just type equal. Okay, and now sum, because I'm going to calculate the tax for the cotton, I will double click sum. Okay, and here I'm not going to select the values, but I will just type cotton. Okay, you see the cotton name is here, so I'm going to select this one. I will close the parenthesis, and again I will type the static. Okay, this one, and now I have to select the tax rate, that is this one. Okay, and press enter. So this is the total tax payable on the cotton sales. Okay, and here I'm going to calculate the tax amount of shoes. So again sum, yes, double click, and you write shoes, yes, it's here, close the parenthesis, and type static and the tax rate. Okay, and press enter. So this is the total tax amount payable on the shoes sale. Okay, and for the leather again the same process, sum, and LA leather. Okay, close the parenthesis, type static and the tax rate. Okay, and press enter. So this is the tax amount for the leather, and again for the cream we have some. Okay, double click it and cream. You see, you can see it here, the cream. Okay, close the parenthesis, type steric and select the tax rate. Okay, and press enter. So this is the payable tax payable amount on the cream. Okay, and here if you want to see the total tax payable is just summing up the whole amount. Okay, the whole taxes, you can just click sum and select all these values. Okay, these, and press enter. So this is the total amount payable on these different type of products with different type of interest tax rates. Okay, so this is how you can make your life very easy with Excel. Okay, if you want me to show you another easy way, if you don't understand the define name or this process, you can do it with another way. Okay, let me show you that one as well. Here, because we are calculating the cotton tax payable, just press the equal sign. Now start the parenthesis and select the cell here. Okay, this one, from here to here. No, sorry guys, sorry, it's a mistake. Okay, let me do it. Wait, sum. Okay, you write sum, select it from here to the end. Now close the parenthesis. Okay, this one, you close the parenthesis. Now you can type the steric again and the tax amount. Okay, but here if you can see, when I selected all these range, you see it gave me the cotton name. So because I have already defined its name, but if I delete that name, it will give me the range. Okay, now let me press the enter, and you see we found the payable amount, the tax payable. Okay, now let me delete the name of this column. Okay, and then we will see what happens. So this is the cotton and we will delete it. Okay, here, yes, here we go. Now you see it's a problem here. Let me do it again. Sum, I will just sum, select all the values in this column, and now go back to your formula. Yes, close the parenthesis and type steric. Okay, now you can see here we have the range but not the cotton name. Okay, and you can select this tax rate and press enter. You see we find the same amount here. You can repeat it, the same process for the shoes, leather and cream as well, and here again you will add up all the values, so you will get the total tax payable for this store. Okay, I think it's very easy. You did it very easily, and it can save a lot of your time. I think it's helpful. So if you like it, please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.